Today, we're going to find out what's in the box of a Garmin AIS 800. Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us, cruising this old boat.
All right, let's open her up and take a look-see. Okay, the first thing I see is some paperwork, and this is actually the information on our vessel. Now, most of the places you order a Garmin, at least AIS system, they have to program it. Now, you can program it yourself, and there are some discount places that sell it and you program it, but most places, and I bought this through West Marine, they want to program it to make sure it's programmed right. So when you order the system, you tell them all kinds of information about your boat. And so this is a printout of that information that I gave them, because they have to go into the box to program your AIS. They've already opened the box up and they just put this in there so that you can see what information they put into your AIS. So next, we have the AIS module. The rest of the box is empty. It's all in here. All right. Oop. So that's the actual module, the AIS 800. It's got a power port, a NEMIA 2000, a USB port, and then on this side it's got a hookup for your VHF antenna, another hookup for your VHF radio, and then a GPS antenna. Now, also in the box is what looks to be the directions, so that'll be nice and handy. And then we got a bag full of goodies. This is a antenna cable. I'm not sure if that's for the VHF radio or if that's for the GPS antenna hookup, but that's an antenna cable. The power supply cables comes with an inline fuse. This looks to be a NEMIA 2000 cable, and it's also got a T so you can hook it into your NEMIA backbone. It's got a USB cable, and I'm not sure what kind of end that is. This is not a Type C, it's not a micro C, it's not the kind that goes to a computer. So I don't know if it's a special proprietary connection or just one I'm not familiar with, but you definitely can't just pull a USB cable out of your spare box and use them. So you need this one. And then 4 screws. I assume those are for mounting it to a wall. And that's it. So So that's everything that comes in the box for the Garmin AIS 800. Thanks for watching.